What's up, everybody? I'm back with a Minecraft video. As you can see, I'm not recording on my Xbox like I do most of the times when I record a Minecraft video. On this day, I'm recording Minecraft on my flippin' laptop. Yes, I have Minecraft for the longest on my laptop. I told you about it in my video on my freaking Xbox 360. I don't have an Xbox One. I have an Xbox 360. I got it for free, which is awesome. I'm recording on my laptop for the very first time, and most likely it's hard to do on a laptop without a flipping mouse. Because you see, I control the freaking screen with the mouse. I have to keep on doing this just to get me back in my original screen. So yeah, give me a minute. Okay, so I'm back in the regular screen. It is quite buggy since, yeah, you can see that that freaking thing at the top. Oh wait, no you can't. I am being sarcastic. Well, sometimes it's hard to do playing on the laptop. So I'm gonna show around my lovely world. And stuff you can see, I'm in creative, cause yes, I could go back in survival, but kinda need to fly most of all. So here is the village that I'm living with. It ain't much, but it's a world I like living in. And I do sometimes break the door by accident, cause remember I'm playing on a flipping laptop without a mouse. It's quite hard to do. So yeah. Still I have my trident, hand and the trident. And yeah. As being an Atlantean, I have a shell phone. Being tried to shellfish. Jokes today, jokes. And in this chest, I really don't got much. Cause I started in survival. I didn't know how to go in creative until I flippin' put myself in, well, king mode, but I guess that's just what you call it. And yeah, in survival I kinda did a lot, made pickaxes, and creative I kinda like cheated the rest of this in. And you guys just live over there. You know, being an Atlantean, I gotta protect the place I live in. I'm on the edge of creating a house underwater very soon, just because being an Atlantean, what I do in most of my gameplay. I used to do Minecraft videos with my cousin, and yeah, you can tell I have these beacons over here that put a force field around the place I'm living at. And over here we have the Nexus, and I don't know why, but these guys want to really get to the Nexus. These guys want to really get to the Nexus, so I gotta keep on killing them with my hand down the shoulder over here. It's quite hard to do because the controls really like to mess with the mouse. And since I'm in creative, it's really easy to breathe underwater. Yeah, I'll show you the next in a minute. I gotta clear out the flippin' zombie problem with my hand down the poison arrows. I am now freaking realizing that it's hard to shoot underwater, and I probably should remember that like a minute ago. And yeah, I didn't notice that until now. They have my tritons, you jacks! Get poisoned. Oh wait, they're zombies. I don't know what these are, but they have my triton. I know I used to leave trans all over the place, but that doesn't mean you can touch them. They're flipping everywhere. They're flipping everywhere, dude.
What the flip are you doing?
Creating a Minecraft video, what the love you think? It's flipping, dang it.
Oh, that's why he was talking to himself.
Really?
What is sea zombie?
But
Yes. They have my Trident and quick question, what are you two doing in here?
It's kind of
While I'm recording a video.
So I can't play with you on phone?
I still, but, no, I don't think that's impossible.
Can you at least look it up?
I already looked it up. And it didn't say nothing about connecting the phone to a laptop Minecraft freaking video. So that's my cousin and everybody. So here we are, this is the Nexus. The Atlantean and the Nexus that I gotta protect. And I can tell what I got insurance from because I have the name in my over the place. The Nexus. All Atlanteans have to protect it once they get it. Yes. They don't have the exact same Minecraft.
How you know?
Cause I can only get one Minecraft and that is not the one we has. Hold on. And I'm back, guys. So that we're gonna record a Roblox video later on. Him on his phone and me on my laptop. As you can see, I been like logged out of the game for a few minutes and you can see it did not do very well because I don't know how, I don't know what happened. I spawned out of the water.
Changing to clear weather.
It don't even smell that bad anymore.
Sorry, cousins. So I was in the water a few minutes ago and for some reason I have spawned out of the water. I don't know what happened. I'm not gonna read too much into that, but I can make it back daytime.
Set the time to 150,000.
Yeah, I want that to be a girl voice because it's kind of better with a girl version of man voice. I'm legit dead serious. So before I like cut the video for a few minutes to show you how the Nexus. I don't know if I got a good glimpse at it, but here it is. God dang it. I don't know if I got a good glimpse of the Nexus, but here it is. The Atlantean Nexus. As you can see, I get a whole lot stronger when I'm near it. And don't ask, but it took a while to set this up because I didn't know how to build it until now. So yeah, that's the... Put the god dang Trident down, motherfuckers. What the... Get... Put the Trident down. You're not an Atlantean. Okay, I know I'm going to destroy 14, but there's always room for Atlanteans because if you watch Cody Maverick videos, I am one of the Atlanteans who subscribe to him. Think that this will be way harder in survival, and I gotta stop leaving shrines around, but it's really easy just to freaking live. So I know I've not been like customize my own world, like just download a map. What the flip is this? But in this version, I have this hat, which it allows you to breathe underwater. But I don't know what's going on. It's supposed to like allow me to breathe underwater like true Atlanteans. I know I could just use a potion of underwater breathing, but sorry about that, cousin again. Because I know how to do commands in my own world. Can you say? Give me a minute. Where's the slash? Slash. Okay. So I've not played for quite a while, so potion commands are quite hard to remember because I'm used to playing on my phone to create videos, so it'll be a lot harder to remember the actual code. I know I've freaking looked it up before. Yeah, cool. Yeah, potion effect. Sprint. Potion. What? S. Speed. Okay. Personal. What was the name of the water breathing potion? Water breathing? Water. Yeah, there it is. So I won't leave it on, because remember I'm using creative most of the time because I don't really want to die. Okay, where is it? Here it is. That was not it. Okay. So I'm going to leave it for 1 minute just to show you I know these commands very well. My bad, you guys. I am legit a slow flipping typer, so because I gotta keep on looking back and forth at that living name because I'm not really that good at it. Okay, there we go. Water breathing.
Asterisk 0 to Deadpool for 30 seconds.
Yes. So flip. 2 minutes. That would come in handy. Man, flipping off! You zombie scum! I killed you back in Walking Dead! You flipping zombies! Stay tuned for the Walking Dead video. I may record with friends one day, just to make this a lot funner. Maybe not. I don't know. This showing the potion effects after I can find the button. I've not played for quite a freaking while. Used to be, in fact. I don't want to actually press a button that would actually stop my recording and make this video go downhill like Rick and first. What was the flipping button? I know I've done before. I've not really done it at all, but yeah, you can see I had potion effect for a little bit of a while, not that long, because I didn't really need it. God, freaking! I remember now what I was freaking trying to run. Flip and die! Was that a dolphin that just fast past my screen? Maybe not. Jesus Christ. But yeah, as you see, I gotta take the necklace for such a long time because I don't want them to like take the necklace from me because I would lose my living job and my Atlantean powers and my Triton. You see, it's a hard schedule to keep because they spawn in like every time, and it gets really annoying. I called some of my Atlantean bros to come help me out. Also, some of my Super Saiyan bros. But none of them picked up their phone or Atlantean phones. Most of them have. So, yeah. That's basically what I got to tell you in my little word. I will make it like a series someday. Well, it is a series, but like, are you serious? I wasn't even gone for that long.
Changing to clear weather.
Okay, there we go.
150,000.
So that's basically all I got time for this original Minecraft video. I will still be recording Minecraft videos on my Xbox. Excuse me, so the main bugging up because I'm kind of ending up the video. But no, I'm gonna name you Fred. Yo, peace, Fred. So this is all I got time for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment on my videos, and make sure you smack that like button like a boss, and have to go around. And I'll see you all there in the next video. Peace out, my saying.